everybody, it's your girl King Steph back with All Good Things TV, bringing you a hot girl summer themed haul. Now, I know the summer's winding down, but I figured it would be perfect to share some amazing outfits with you that you can wear to that end of summer pool party or that last minute barbecue that really embody the spirit of the hashtag, which is pretty much women doing whatever they want and not giving a damn about what anybody thinks and having a good ass time. But before I get to these amazing outfits, I would love to shout out our sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. You know when you're on your phone kind of just scrolling and you see all those ads for video games? Well, this is one game that caught my eye because the graphics are so incredible. Raid Shadow Legends is an immersive RPG available now for smartphones, and it's completely free. In Raid Shadow Legends, you control hundreds of cool champions that you can collect, upgrade, and face off in player versus player battles. Raid has nearly 10 million downloads in just a few months and a nearly perfect App Store rating. And there's also a rewards program for new players in the first 90 days of the game. If you just click the link in the description box and download, you'll get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion. When you download the game, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. All right, now let's get into some clothes. So to start, we have this adorable little lace-up copper bodysuit. I love this because it looks so good with a tan. You can wear this to a barbecue, to a pool party, and then change later. I don't know, but it's adorable. I love the little lace-up detail, and it's super form-fitting and shows off all of your curves. Next up is this sexy little black dress. Obviously, a little black dress is a wardrobe staple, but I love this one because it's so stretchy and comfortable. It's perfect for some drinks on a rooftop on a nice summer night or a hot date. Next outfit we have is this amazing cheetah print dress. If you want to live your best hot girl summer life, you should definitely do it in some animal print. I love this too because it's also really stretchy and soft, and it will hug all of your curves just right. My absolute favorite piece of this summer haul is this amazing cutout swimsuit, and let me tell you why. Those little metallic beads catch the sun while you're tanning and glistening, and they'll definitely get his attention when you're on the way to the bar for your hot girl summer drinks. Guys, thanks so much for watching today's Hot Girl Summer fashion video sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Make sure that you click the link below and download the game, and don't forget to subscribe to All Good Things TV. You can also find me on Instagram at AllHailKingSteph or follow my YouTube channel, youtube.com/KingSteph. Thanks, guys.